Lyfryd, hanner cyfle sydd angen arno wedi amgylchynu a chwaraewyr mewn melyn. Follows mewn Ramsey wedi galw, mae'n ei gollwng i, mae'n torri at Lyfryd, ymyl y cwrt Cosby, Lyfryd yn taro'r postyn, Davies, ergyd Lyfryd am yr eildro, mae'n cael ei chlirio. Cyfre eiraidd i'r cochion i fynd ar y blaen yn gynnar yn y gêm. Ond yn y diwedd, y bêl yn taro'r postyn, yn cyfle da i'r cochion i fynd ar y blaen. Sodliad yn hyfryd, cwr cyfle! O, arbediad rhagorol. Ryan Williams oedd mewn ar gôl. Gwych gan Oliver Davies. A dyna oedd y cyfle. Mae'r cofis wedi dominyddu'r meddiant heb greu. Dyna oedd y cyfle. Dyma i mewn! A maen nhw bron mynd ar y blaen. Maen nhw'n taro'r bar. Gyfe Kai Jones dath e'r peniad ac yna'r ergyd isel. A mae'n cael ei chasglu yn y diwedd gan Oliver Davies eto o Ryan Williams. Wel, cyfres o ergydion am gôl gan y cofis. Edwards a Roberts i fyny. Roberts i fyny ac yna mae heibio'r postyn gan Rhys Roberts. Williams yn llithro, y bêl gan Clark, Clark at Follows, tu fewn, cyfle mergyd efalle, Jordan Follows! O, dyna chi arbediad gan Alex Ramsey. Ergyd nerthol, oedd yn hedfan i gornel ucha rwyd, ac arbediad o'r safon ucha gan Alex Ramsey. Y bêl hir gan Follows at Lyfryd, gael dim newid allan. O Caernarfon hyd yn hyn, ond dyma Lyfryd yn manteisio, mae erbyn ei hunan. O, ac mae Ramsey'n arbed. Clark, pas dda, gwych o ganol ca, Follows, heibio i ddyn. O, dyna chi drosedd amlwg gan Alex Ramsey. Cerdyn coch iddo fe. Gwthiad amlwg yn rhwystro rhediad Jordan Follows. Ac mae Caernarfon lawr i 10 dyn. Gigrydd i Caernarfon, Nathan Craig y capten dros y bêl. Dros y wal o gwmpas y wal o mewn! O, gwych gan Nathan Craig i chweched gôl o'r tymor. O, chi'n gweld i'n dod mewn i ddannedd y gwynt. Nath e gremanu ddi o gwmpas y wal ac heibio i Oliver Davies i gornel ucha'r rwyd. Alfie. Croesi at Lyfryd, ymyl cwrt Cosby. Lyfryd nôl at Davies. Davies yn isguboi allan at Marsh. Bêl yn gwyro! Mewn! Ac yn gyfartal yma ar Steban Heath. Curtis Marsh yn derbyn y bêl oddi oedd Jordan Davies yn torri tu fewn. Y bêl yn gwyro'n greulon i'r cofis Caernarfon. Dau allan ar y ddef yn hyn. Thomas a Jones. Jones yn dewis y llwybr tu fewn yn anwybyddu Thomas. Mlaen at Lyfryd, i'r llaw, Rhys Roberts a drosedd. A mae'n gic o'r smotyn i Llanelli. Lyfryd i'r llawr. A Tom Owen yn penderfynu, cic o'r smotyn i gochion Llanelli. Jones i roi Llanelli ar y blaen, reit lawr y canol, a mae'r cochion ar y blaen. Nick Bold yn methu arbed, Chris Jones yn rhwydo bedwaredd gôl y tymor. Nathan Craig at Noah Edwards, Craig unwaith eto yn y symudiad, y bas ymlaen, ac mae'n torri at Brookwell, a draws wyneb y gôl, mae'n mewn! A Jamie Breeze, y dramatig sydd wedi dod ar gêm yn gyfartal. A 10 dyn y cofis wedi achub pwynt. Y croesiad yn dod o hyd i Jamie Breeze ar y postyn pella, yn llithro mewn ar ei drod dde, ac mae'n 2-1. Wel, yn y dathliad, mae Scott Tancock wedi cael ei ddanfon o'r cae.
Having gone 2-1 up, do you look back on this as a lost opportunity to get back-to-back victories?
Yeah, definitely. Don't get me wrong, we would have probably taken a point before the game. Caernarfon are a good team. They set up well. They've got a good coaching staff there, good manager, and they're a very dangerous team. But being 2-1 up, I felt we lost our way a bit. We changed the shape to go 2-1 up, and then so we changed back. the boys didn't really implement that on the pitch. I think if we would have done that, we would have seen the game out. But we're still learning. It's lessons to be learned out there. We'll take that into the next game, and hopefully now we've turned the corner. We know the quality's in there, and it's starting to come through now with the players' availability. And hopefully we can push on and start a bit of a run.
It seemed a good game for the neutral, certainly, but on the sideline it can be like a bit of a nightmare. But it's a point, and I don't think anyone's gained on us, I think, as of yet, I think, with the results. But yeah, we'll take a point, I guess. Tough place to come, because I was very impressed with them today, Llanelli. I think the way they knock the ball around, the way they rotate, I think they're in a false position personally. Obviously they've been hampered with injuries, suspensions, etc. But I think they'll come good. I think they'll pick up a lot of points. So yeah, 2-2 in the end was probably a fair result.
Oedd yr ail anna just y bonkers, dwi'n meddwl, gymaint o pethau wedi digwydd. Dwi'n cofio beth a digwydd I gyd yn iawn, ond o'na gymaint o digwyddiadau gwahanol. Mae'n siŵr ar ochr ag ar y camrol yn edrych reit exciting, ond I ni chwarae oedd oedd o'n reit interesting. Ond da ni'n bach o siomedig, da ni'n fynd 1-0 fyny, ac da ni wedi gadael nhw dod yn ôl mewn I gêm wedyn, da ni'n bach o siomedig, da ni wedi cael sending off hefyd. Ond un peth, oedd rhaid ni orffen efo positif, a da ni'n dod I ffwrdd o ddigatra, da ni wedi cael pwynt arall ar y bwrdd.
Chris Thomas, congratulations on reaching a personal milestone today, 400 appearances in the Welsh Premier League. How did that feel?
It feels really good, to be honest. It's a big achievement. Some legends up there, have achieved 400 games plus. It's nice to be mentioned in the same breath as them, really. It's just disappointing that we didn't get the 3 points to go with it today. It's not all about personal landmarks. It's about the team as well. But it's an honour for me, to be amongst some of these people. Gary Lloyd. You've got your Timmy Edwards. You've got Colin Reynolds. You've got some big names like that up there. So it's good to be amongst all them. So I'm pleased.
A lot of complaints about Caernarfon's second goal. What do you make of it?
Well, why? What's the reason you asking me that? Is because everybody knows. Everybody knows the reason. He looks 2-3 yards the other side of everybody. And it seems to be happening week in, week out throughout the league. It's disappointing. There's decisions. There's no consistency there, and it's really frustrating. I can't wait to see it back. But I'm pretty confident what the decision should have been.